Hello, students. We are here with the Cuba crisis. Cuba is here. This nation is nearby USA, but ideology is near to ideology of USSR. So, geographical location of Cuba is far away from USSR. Then, what was the purpose of USSR? To have ideological and political military relation with the Cuba. Possibly, USSR wanted to use Cuba in this Western world against USA. USSR wanted to control Cuba for strategic importance. That is very important for the military related purpose. USSR wanted a place. Locational importance of Cuba attracted USSR to cooperate and to be member of communist group nations. Dear students, when missiles were sending from USSR through Atlantic Ocean, America became very alert. America decided to block in this area. No ship can carry furthermore missiles towards Cuba. And situation became very intense. All world was waiting that this will be very horrible situation for the humanity. This may be worse than the Second World War because both countries having vast, we can say enormous atomic or nuclear power. If war begins, all world will be devastated. All world was divided into power blocks. So this was not only crisis for USSR and USA, but it was crisis for all the worlds. Impact of this situation will be throughout the globe. Anyhow, at that time, USA president was Kennedy. Kennedy think over the situation. Cuba could not be military nuclear weapons which are harmful and devastating sent by USSR. This supply should be stopped. So they make a defense. No ship can carry missile towards the Cuba. Then USSR became angry with this activity of USA. Anyhow, this situation could not turn into Third World War. But this situation intensified the situation of the world. Dear students, one more situation emerged in Congo in Africa. Here, this is the Congo Democratic Republic, and here you can see Congo. Congo was divided in two parts, Congo and Congo Democratic Republic. The situation emerged here during the Cold War Wars, and Congo was split in two nations. So both power blocks, USSR and USA, intensified the situation of the Congo in Africa. And due to the Congo situation, the Cold War situations became very horrible and intensified. Just like Cuba and Congo, another situation was also emerging between India and Pakistan in 1965. That was also time of the Cold War. Another it happens when Bangladesh and Pakistan emerged two nations. in 1971 onwards. Dear students, India-Pakistan relations were also intensified during the Cold War. Just like Congo, Cuba, Indo-Pak relations, Pakistan was supported by USA. India was somehow following and getting support from USSR. But India was following non-alignment movements. Non-alignment movements nations were not in any of a power bloc. So that is known as the NAM movements, NAM, non-aligned movements. But when Pakistan was getting support from USA, then USSR automatically supported India, because at that time world situation was that if USA is favoring one nation, USSR will favor another nation. Definitely. Even though India was not in any power bloc, India was not directly involved in power bloc of Russia, that is USSR. Even though India got lots of the support in 2 wars against Pakistan. So this is the situation, and same situation occurred in Afghanistan also during the Cold War. Russia wanted control. USSR have some strategic importance. That's why, because Afghanistan is neighboring of USSR. But America was seeking that what is the importance of Cuba for USSR? The same importance of Afghanistan was for USA. जो स्थान क्यूबा का रसिया यानी यूएसएसआर के इतिहास में रहा है, जो इम्पोर्टेंस रहा है, वही इम्पोर्टेंस अमेरिका अफगानिस्तान में स्थापित करना चाहता था. दैट्स वाई अमेरिका एंड यूएसएसआर intensified situation in Asia continents. So situation worsened from Cuba, then moved towards Africa and in Asia. Another situation occurred in Vietnam. Here you can see the Vietnam. Hanoi is the north part of the Vietnam. Hanoi. And this is the South Vietnam and North Vietnam. Dear students, Vietnam was divided in 2 parts, North Vietnam and towards the Hanoi, and South Vietnam. North Vietnam and South Vietnam became independent nation in 1975. But there was big war for Vietnam. USA sent a lot of military force. USA supported biological weapons. Many forest and ecological crises occurred in Vietnam because many forests were decimated by the bombs and burnt by the bombs. Agent Orange like harmful bombs were dropped by USA Army in Vietnam. But Vietnamese formed National Liberation Fronts and they fought against USA. This war became intensified in 1961 onwards. In 1963, USA directly engaged in the War of the Vietnam. Many USA personnel came, military persons came, many more were injured, many were killed, Even in USA, many people were criticizing the government of the USA for participating in Vietnam. USA was losing importance and USA faced a terrible setback by the Vietnamese under the support of USSR. And at that time, Indian Prime Minister Pandit Nehru also visited Vietnam after USA forces were removed from Vietnam, and Vietnam became free from USA influence, and it was divided in two parts, North Vietnam and South Vietnam, in 1975. So students, these are the world problems which occurred during the Cold World War. Thanks.